welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your payment method work quickly, and please enter an other payment method if you want to purchase anything in iPhone and iPad but with this type of error after update iOS 17. So how can fix it? Go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here click on Apple ID. From here what you need to do it, click on payment and shipping, and from here what you need to do is remove your old payment method and add new payment method, and after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your again setting and click on Apple ID. From here what you need to do is sign out your Apple ID and restart your device, and after a few minutes you have again turn it on, and after that sign in your Apple ID, and after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method, go back your home screen, and from here what you need to do is open your anyone browser like Google and Chrome, and from here what you need to do is search for this appasport.com. Click on this and click on first link Appasport and select your device. From here scroll down, from here you as can see get support. What you need to do is contact your appasport.com and submit your problem. After a few minutes we hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.